So I want to talk about this 5G 4 LTE router with a pre-installed Eiotclub SIM card. It comes with a SIM card that's already built in. We'll do an unboxing here in just a minute. I want to just talk about a little bit of the power that this has, right? So you can get up to 512 gigabyte of storage capacity with this device. And the beautiful thing about this is it works in over 200 countries worldwide, and you can refill the SIM card anytime you want. So we're going to flip this really quick. I'm going to give you an unboxing and talk about some of the other special features that come along with this as far as the ports, charging cables, what you can connect to wirelessly or wired. So let's jump right in. So this is the actual router itself, and you can take off the screen protector here. And obviously you've got some power ports here, and you can see that there's the SIM right there, that it's already preloaded. You have a TF card here. And then as far as your connections go, let me turn this right side up. You've got your power, which is a USB-C. You've got your WAN line and your LAN line. And this is fantastic because you can use this pretty much anywhere. You can use it for business. You can use it on boats. You can use it for travel. You could use it as an RV. You can enjoy IP6 support. You could also use it as a VPN device. So this is going to be all of your connections and cords and cables here. So there's your LAN, there's your power cord, and here's your adapters for multiple countries. Obviously, you can see the adapters there, and whether or not they work in the United States or Europe, Asia, different things there. So this side, what we talked about, right? This can be used as a cable modem. It can be used as a Wi-Fi repeater. It can be used for tethering from a phone to send the signal. You can use this as a 3G, 4G modem. Again, this is a 5G 4 LTE device. So as you get all of this set up, obviously you're going to want to have a network that you use. When you're charging this, you have a couple of different options. It does come with a 5,000 mAh battery. That'll provide up to 5 to 7 hours of battery life in a single charge. You can also just keep it plugged in straight from the wall. Now, when you're talking about the SIM card and the expandability, again, we talked about the micro SD card. It can support up to 512 gigabytes of storage. Really excited today to talk to you about the Eiotclub SIM card and GL-Net router combo. So there's a deal going on right now on Eiotclub. So the BizGlobe Link SIM advantages, and that SIM card actually comes with this. So it's already in here, right here. I've put that in. You get coverage in over 200 plus countries and regions with no roaming fees. You get it perfect for travel, business worldwide. You can use it as a hotspot, sharing a network. I've actually already connected to it. So 4G LTE, super fast for a router. You can easily renew anytime with a customized plan, and you just reload the SIM and your router works great. They've got 24/7 customer support. So a little bit about the combo and the deal, right? The router comes with a 24 gigabyte SIM plan already built in. You can use it in Europe and the United States. It works on popular providers, AT&T, T-Mobile. And the thing that's great about this is you can get up to 3 years for a 20% discount on the plan. Now, some of the router features, we'll go through those really quick, and then I'll show you how to set this up. There's the WAN line, the LAN line, obviously the power here. This is where the SIM card goes, the TF card. There's the power on the top. You can see it's charging, it's blinking there. You've got a USB 2.0, a reset button, the power button, and a fan for this if it ever gets too hot. So I'm gonna slide this in really quick. And again, we're focused on the SIM card, so what we can do here with this. So basically to power this on, it's gonna come with a pre-generic password and an IP address that you're going to connect to get everything started. You basically log into your router and connect your SIM card, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I connect on my computer and on my phone using that wireless network. So let's jump in and get started. So we're just gonna power this guy on right here. I'm gonna power this on. So we've got the Wi-Fi button right there. So you can see that Wi-Fi comes up, and it should show up when you start looking in your networks, right? Whether you're using your phone, right? There we go. There's the 3G, 4G. So when I refresh the networks on my computer to look for them, so let me just open this back up again. Other networks. You'll see that I've already connected to it, so it's right here. So this is the GL-XE300 559, and that's a generic right there. You'll see it. Your device will probably have something different here, but then I'm going to connect. And you'll see now that my computer is connected to this, and you'll see that we're getting connectivity right here on the Wi-Fi. Now what I can do is I can actually log into my router and I can change the password. I can do some stuff like that. And the beautiful thing about this is now, so I'm actually connected in. So I've already created a password. I already changed this. So I'm gonna log in, and you'll see now that I have access to do a lot of different things on the actual router using the SIM card. So the SIM card allows you to connect anywhere. So you can go wireless, you can see here, we can go clients, we can do VPN, we can do different applications, we can create a network for other people to join. We can go through this whole process here. So then I would click on wireless, and then I would go through and I would connect to my actual SIM card here. You can see that I'm getting information. So when I jump in on my phone, it's very similar. So I'm gonna be doing a screen share from my phone so you can see the same thing. So now I'm gonna show you what it looks like on my phone. So I'm on my phone, obviously I'm connected to my home internet, T-Mobile. I'm gonna turn that off, turn Wi-Fi back on. It'll pull up the networks, and right here you can see that this is where the SIM card is connected to. So I am now connected to this device. I'm gonna go done, and I'm just gonna open up the internet and go to new windows, and you can see I'm actually probably going about the same speed as I would be before. So if I go to YouTube, you'll see again the network that I'm connected to right up here is this right here, the GL-XE300. That is the SIM card that is in the GL-iNet device. To kind of wrap everything up, this is the key point, right? This SIM card right in here is what makes everything happen. This is reloadable, it's private, it's secure. This is the BizGlobe link that you can get from the Eiotclub. These actually come together. You can use this anywhere in the world, secure VPN. When you're in the United States, it runs off of a T-Mobile or AT&T. And then obviously this is the hardware, but everything is running with this. The deal is a fantastic deal from the Eiotclub. Go to their website, check it out. You won't be disappointed.